Can you please stop chewing like that? Anyways, I think we should go over the plan.
The plan to quit smoking?
I told you I could stop whenever I want! Anyway, here's the plan. Dinner served, enjoy.
Bitch, what the f*** about chicken nuggets?
I got it! Hey, don't fling your f***ing vegetable!
What if that landed on a group of orphans, you bitch?
This food is so f***ing good, Aki.
You know, I used to eat my own skin for breakfast.
That couldn't have been healthy for you.
Now let's just smack.
Bitch, who the fuck?
Damn, I'm in the hotel, but time I see you in the
Denji, I need you to be quiet.
Like, oh yeah.
Everyone, quiet.
One lunatic was already enough, Miss Makima. I can't handle two of them in my apartment.
That's why you biting
Literally every second of the day.
Bitch, I'm gonna turn you into a birthday cake!
Why do you guys have such a hard time quitting immaturity?
Bitch, you can't even quit smoking! What the f*** is wrong with you?
Look, sugary gum. I'd like to apologize.
Once you party with us, you'll be falling in love.
Golden Coast, not Golden Coast! How makes you think I give a damn?
Denji, it actually is Golden Coast. California Girls is a song performed by Katy Perry. It served as a lead single for her album, Teenage Dream.
Himeno knows a lot about a teenage. Aki thinks I give a f*** about Katy Perry. Katy Perry's the lead singer in the
Shut the f*** up! Aki, you smoke!
You're a chronic smoker. You're a chronic smoker.
Aki must paying, so.
Well, at this point, money really isn't an issue. I just can't read any of this shit.
Let go of me! Fuck it, I'm jumping!
I've been waiting my whole life for a moment like this.
And here goes nothing! You still got the song wrong.
I'm actually not from France. It's just a hat.
Oh yeah, I've heard of those. They're called baguettes or some shit, right?
Man, such a goof!
I think we're getting rolled up on again. Hey kid, you want to try the new McDonald's Sig? I don't think you'll actually fall for it.
For the free?
Everybody, stop grabbing for my food! I'm collecting it for a mukbang video!
Still haven't exactly trained her to be out in public yet, so.
You really want a kiss from an old smoker like me?
Hey, what the hell? She did not sound like that before! I swear the voices in this series are so inconsistent!
Well, now that everyone knows, at least Denji is safe. Things could have gone a lot worse.
Yeah, dude. Like somebody totally could have gone thrown up on or something.
Wait.
Now you listen here, Denji.